friends, this is Aiba from A&D Delicious Cake, and today I'm showing you how to make the pizza sauce. The sauce which can be used for making pizzas, collusion breads, or any type of breads, or as even as a spread you can use it. So let's start the recipe. Wash the tomatoes, put in a vessel and keep it for boiling on induction. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Remove it and put it in the mixer and make puree. Cut the onion. Chop them very fine. Now take a kadai, keep it on induction and add oil. Now add onions, chopped onions, and fry till it is transparent. Now the onions are done. Add the puree. And cook it on low flame. Now at this stage, add red chili powder, oregano, and pizza powder, tomato ketchup, and give a mix. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Or till it thickens. Now your pizza sauce is almost done. It is ready.